Hi everyone, it's me, Lauren Cadillac. I'm with Cadilac Law, and we are out here in the YouTube world. I'm filming today in my Fort Worth office, and I'm excited to talk to you about non-traditional real estate transactions. But before we get into those, I just want to make sure you all know that this is not legal advice. Nothing on this video creates an attorney-client relationship between myself, my firm, you. This is just general knowledge that I'm sharing with people because I have it. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and if you know anyone who could benefit from this, share with them, please. All right, so non-traditional real estate deals. Now, let me first tell you, a traditional real estate deal to me is where I have a realtor, a seller has a realtor, I'm a buyer, my realtor represents me during the purchase, the seller's realtor represents them during the purchase. We go to a title company, I have a mortgage company, and we go into a traditional 30-year loan. So that is a traditional real estate transaction. Today, what we're talking about is non-traditional real estate transactions. So there are ways to buy and sell real estate where you don't need a realtor or a title company, or even a mortgage company, y'all. We can do seller carry. We can have, if a seller has a mortgage, they had a traditional real estate purchase, they need to get out, they can sell it to you. We can do documents to create a wraparound mortgage. Now, what we cannot do is end up in an executory contract or a contract for deed. The reason for that is there are a lot of rules under Texas law for the person who is essentially the mortgage company. Those rules include annual accounting, they include seller property disclosure. I mean, there are a ton. And so you want to make sure that you don't end up creating that type of transaction, because if you are the seller, you could be on the hook for tons of money later on down the road. So when you're looking to do a non-traditional real estate deal, what you need is a lawyer. You need someone such as myself who is familiar with real estate, who's been doing this, who knows how to create transactions. Like I said, if you have a mortgage, we can do a wrap. If you own it outright, we can do a seller carry. We can do all kinds of things. We can do almost anything your heart desires. But what we don't want to do is accidentally get you into an executory contract. Now, I have been getting calls lately from folks who are already in executory contracts. That's no fun, but give us a call and we can help you get out of it, okay? We can get you into a better non-traditional real estate vehicle. So just because you can't get a regular mortgage, and just because you can't do a traditional real estate sales does not mean you can't be a real estate owner, okay? We can do non-traditional. So if you found a piece of property and you found someone who's willing to work with you and do a non-traditional sale, give us a call. We're happy to help. We'll write it up for you. Our number is 972-845-1200, and I appreciate your time today.